Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Alright, so the dust has a little bit settled since yesterday. Well, not really. I think community is still very excited. Probably will take a couple days or weeks for things to normalize a bit more and everyone getting tired of waiting for new developments because things will take time. Okay, so I think for starters, I know that Omniblade is already working hard on putting the stubs and doing things, getting the thing to compile. But so yeah, let him work, see how far he gets. I've seen that there's also some other forks already that advance in putting lots of libraries in there and trying to get it to compile. But I think for starters, what we want to do, we just want to fork it into our organization. So really some administrative stuff for this session. So create a new fork in the organization. Remove the super sign because we don't need that anymore, and then move all the various issue reports that we already have related to code, move that to the new repository, which will then be our base, and then we go from there. Good. How do we do that? That's a good question. There's always a problem of how to fork. Okay, so let's open a new GitHub. GitHub search. Was it Generals 0 Hour? Electronic Arts. Not found. Electronic Arts. This one. I need to discover first. Okay, there it is. It's already on 1.6k stars. When we created the video yesterday, it was on 35 or so. Okay. Can we create a fork into? Yeah, here. There we go. And the name will be, I think, Generals Game Code, because we want to be consistent with the naming of our other repositories. Generals Game Patch, Game Code. Basically, all these are Generals something. Generals. Yeah. Generals Game Code. Copy main branch. Are there multiple branches? Let me see. Can we? There's only one branch. Yeah, I think. Yeah, I think it's also good to have like a unique name. Maybe it makes it a bit easier to identify if someone forks from this, right? Because if everyone uses this name, since the General 0 Hour, then yeah, everyone has the same name. Things looking maybe a bit confusing. CNC General 0 Hour, yeah, I think that's fine. Create a fork. Good. Then we need to enable the issues. So there should be here issues and discussions. You can also enable, and yeah, pull requests, allow merge, allow squash. There should be pull request. I was wondering what is the pull request rules. Ugh. I thought it would be here. Basically, I would like to know if there are rules that you need approval. Webhooks. Webhooks. Yeah, we can set up a webhook. I think I need to blacken my screen for that because there might be some API key. Let me make that black real quick. Yeah, so basically I will copy the API key from the other repository we have. Go to settings, webhooks. Yeah, that is. And then I need to verify with the authenticator to access this. Okay. Two-factor auth. Let me see. The codes. Where's GitHub? GitHub. There. Okay, there it is. Yeah, there's a code, and then we put it here. Oh, what happened? Here, at webhook, there's a button. Payload URL. Okay, and content type. There we go. Yeah, sorry, I will get to it. You will see the screen soon. Discussion. Yeah. Okay. Issues. Yeah. Pull request review. Comments. Oh, there's a lot. Pull review. Yeah, I have not forgotten you. Don't worry. I have not forgotten. Active. Yeah. Yeah, basically I don't want to reveal the web API key. I think that wouldn't be optimal. Yeah. Okay, let me add the webhook, and that was successful. Yeah. Okay, let me show the screen again. There we go. Good. I have set up the webhook, and I hope that this just works. Yeah. Okay, so pull request. Yeah, I don't know about rules. Branch rule set. Add branch rule set. Rule set name. How did we do it on the other one? I think a general's game patch is relatively lax on rules. Let me see. Rules, rule sets. Oh, we don't have any rules. Okay, so it's not that. Where are the pull requests? Pull requests. Branch rules. Ah, this one. Rules. Huh? I'm confused. Custom properties. So here we can set up restrictions, block force pushes, but there must be already a setup, a general setup. Maybe it's in here. Leave side, yes. Collaborators. Maybe it's here. Yeah, it's probably here. Role. Team. User. Role. Yeah. I guess I will dig deeper into this another time. I don't know right now. Yeah, there's some setup to be made. I'm not sure. Okay, so we have a game code here. Good. So let's figure out how big of a problem it will be to move issues. Move issues. So basically from this project, we want to move the issues. Rising water kills air units. Okay, I think before we move issues, how about we first replicate the labels? Yeah, the labels. So we go to game page. We go to our beloved labels. Where are they? Issues. Labels here. There we go. Okay, let's. Can we export these? I'm not sure. Maybe we need to recreate it. Let's. I don't know if there's a way to like transfer them. That would be nice. Okay, so we have bug. I think that is already. Oh man, this would be. Maybe we should delete all these labels and just start from scratch. Yeah. Yeah, let's delete the labels here. Yeah, let's go. I don't know where there's this pop-up. Yeah. Okay. Okay, well, that's a bit upsetting. Maybe there's a way to automate it, but let's do it by hand then, I guess. Is AI related? Should just take us a couple of minutes, I guess. Okay, AI. Oh boy. Yeah, art. Oh boy, this will be monkey work. There must be an easier way. This can't be the way. But there's no export button here. I don't see it. Oh, that's art. No, that's correct. Art, yeah. Yeah, basically I would like to start with the same labels as we have in the other one. Yeah. Okay, so let's do cancel audio. Audio, new label. Ta-da. Ta-da. Man, this is some bullshit work. Okay, the good old blocker. It's black. Very nice. Man, this is bad. Can we make it more efficient? Hold on. How about we create this here? We move it here side by side, like that. Yeah, maybe that's a bit better. Yeah. Yeah, it's a bit better, I guess. Okay, so we got the boss, this, and that. Create label. Okay, next. Buff. Edit. New label. Buff. Oh man. Makes a thing more powerful. Create label. Bug. New label. Bug. Da 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 da. And da da. All right, new label. China. China faction. Okay, create label, cancel. I guess we will also have some other labels that could be specific to this, but I would like to know what happens if I move an issue over, and probably needs the same kind of labels, and otherwise maybe it loses the labels, which would be bad. Yeah. How about let's do a Google search. GitHub export import labels. GitHub labels package. Okay, some package. What is this? Okay, there's a bunch of scripts. What is this? Many of them are similar issue labels. As of now, there seems to be no way to import export these. Okay. So it looks like there's no native feature for this, which is weird. It's so very weird. Okay, that's not a big deal. Okay, so we have critical issues are especially interesting. It's mostly crashes. Yeah. Good. This design. All right. There we go. It's okay. We have strong monkey hands. Yeah, we can do this. I don't know what this do later is. I think we never use it really, but it has a nice color, so let's take it. Documentation, yeah. Create label. All right, duplicate. New label. Duplicate. Yeah, this is not so exciting, but yeah, sometimes that's the way it is. Yeah. Yeah, going forward, I would like to concentrate mostly on technical things and less organizational things, more development. That would be ideal, but yeah, we first have to get there, right? Yeah. There was a lot of time spent in 2001, 2002 with creating all sorts of issues. I think we created 1,000 issue reports or so. Yeah, Like there were a lot of people who gave nice input, and I think we covered like really a lot. There are probably some things that are not covered, but it's probably like very rare things that we might have forgotten. Yeah. Typically, I think all the big things, all the big issues are covered. And even recently, I think last year, we still found some new issues, I think. So there's always some more to explore and discover. It never really ends. This game is a treasure of bugs. Okay, we have a GUI. Yeah, I do hope when I transfer the issue reports from General's patch to game code that it doesn't lose the labels. That would be fantastic. But well, maybe they are GUID based, probably GUID based. So maybe it doesn't recognize that this label is that, right? Because they probably will have different GUIDs generated. That's my worry here. In that case, moving the issue might discard all the labels. That would be sad. But maybe it's smart, and it will look up labels by name instead of GUID to try match it. That would be fantastic. Nerf. Yeah, 10 more minutes and we are through this, I think. Yeah. This session we go chill here. Chill copy paste. That's good. End project. I think that's not really relevant, but let's. Yeah, no, just leave it here, I think. Ongoing discussion. Well, yeah, why not? Optional, yeah. Optional, basically game patch. I don't know if optional will be relevant here for code, but game patch has the concept of optional data. Basically, we can create different bundle packs for patch. And this keyword is for that. Specific to that project. Oh, that's the wrong color. Yeah, so the bundle basically right now we build a core bundle in game page, not game code. We built a core bundle which contains all the core files that are needed to be multiplayer compatible and have all the core gameplay stuff that you need to run this. And then there's an optional bundle which contains all optional files that you do not necessarily need to have to run the core patch, right? So anything, most things that are audio related or texture related, and probably also some models in the future, all that is optional, which then also means that the core distribution can be much smaller than the full package, right? Because core will be, I think right now it's 10 megabyte core, and optional, I think that's well above 200 megabytes right now. So it's a good way to just push the necessary files to the user if he doesn't need all the nice to have things, right? I don't know why Shockwave is in here. Issue has been addressed in Shockwave. That's not relevant here because no mod has addressed anything. Survey. This, but the Gentoo label I think is relevant because Gentoo does address some of the things, some of the bugs. Yeah. Okay, I think we are almost through here. Yeah, I could imagine a more exciting task than here, the copy pasting, but yeah, it has to be done, right? Yeah. Yeah. Unit AI. Oh. USA. Cancel won't change. Yeah, so once this is done, we will try we'll probably make a test first to see if it works. I'm a bit scared. Moving issues. So we will go very careful. Good, so we have all the labels replicated. It says 39 because it's minus the Shockwave and the end project label, which we don't need here. Otherwise, the other labels, yeah, they look to be all relatively relevant. Okay, so now the big question. If we go to, let's put this here on the side, and we go here to issues. Good, so let's say we take this issue here. Maybe we start with this bottom one here, issue 1. Game text compiler requires feature for reversing Arabic text. I think the first task actually, let's create a new task here. Labels, make it a task. I mean, everything is just an issue, but it is a task. There's no concept of task. There's discussion, but yeah, we just dump everything as issues. Port game text compiler to game text compiler from Thyme to game code. Port game text compiler from Thyme to game code. Yeah. Maybe we should have a link to where it is. Right now it is in Thyme in this branch. Let's just put the link here and task labels. What's the severity? I think it's made. It's minor. It's minor, I think. Yeah. Create more. Create. No, it's just here. Minor task. Okay. So that's the first one. Let's see if the webhook works. Let's see. Yeah, it works. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, we have someone reviewing the Brazilian text edits from DM Green. He did that a while ago. And yeah, I think he used a tool to try fix things. But yeah, I've seen it in the English and in the German text that the some of the edits, around 50% or so, were not so good. Yeah, the autocorrector, the translation corrector, sometimes doesn't do such a good work, I guess. Yeah. So I think it's typically good that the native speakers try to review or fix it, right? Yeah. Good. Okay. Then yeah, let's take this thing here and try move it, if we can find how to do it. There must be some way. There must be some way. Delete, no. Transfer issue, there we go. Let's see. Generals, game codes. Yeah, let's see what happens. Issue timeline is being transferred. Huh, it is here. Oh, it's already updated on both sides to go to that thing. SuperSime. By the way, let me also change here the pins. So we take out SuperSime and we put in General's game code. So there we go. Save pins. Okay, so we have game patch here and the game code. Very nice. Very nice. Good. Then, yeah, let's take the other ones. General's game code. No. Wrong. It's SuperSime. Yeah. Sorry. Okay, so let me see. Game text compiler needs additional validation checks. Help text says mistake. Okay. I don't know about this one here. Support for BFME object equivalent to token. What is that? Okay. Yeah, okay. Spawn a unique object per player on GameStar to allow run global logic. Enhancement bug. Yeah. Okay, it looks like here it has actually placed the enhancement label in here, right? Even though the name is a little bit different, the capitalization is different, but it's still the same thingy. So it looks like it works. Let's take all the issues here and transfer them, if it's possible. Can we not transfer all at once? No way. Let's do a Google search or DuckDuckGo search. Transfer GitHub transfer multiple issues. Transfer an issue to another. Bulk migrate issues. Transfer issues programmatically. GitHub CLI. Okay. To move a whole lot of GitHub issues between two repos before disabling them on the source repo. The GitHub UI lets you migrate single issues, but that would take hours, yeah? Over 100 issues, yeah. That's also our problem. Thankfully, GitHub CLI lets you transfer issues programmatically. Okay. So we need a GitHub CLI. Okay, can we, does it have a release? Yeah. Okay. Let's download that. For Windows, AMD 64, what is the difference between these two? Huh? They have entirely the same name, but a different size. What? Well, in dock, take the one that is larger, I guess. Right? Yeah, let's move it here for starters. Let's see. Let's take the bin. Let's hold on. Extract to here. Okay, there we go. Bin ghexe. Okay, let's open a terminal. Command prompt. Gh cd d cd gh. Okay. I hope that the CLI will allow us to access the account. Let's see. So we need to go back here. Okay, so where is it? Here. List, issue list all. Oh. Issue transfer. Oof. Oof. Problem is that we don't have like a contiguous range of issues, but these will be, I mean, in this case, yes, but on the other repository where we have 200 executable issues, they will be scattered. So we can't just say from 0 to 200, but it will be like 1, 5, 10, 24, and so on, right? So, yeah. Man, is there really no way? I mean, if we do it by hand with this UI, yeah, that would be forever. Jesus. Man, why don't they have a bulk transfer? Oof. GitHub bulk transfer issues in UI. Let's see what this says. Command GH login. Issue transfer issue. JSON number. Okay, but maybe what we can do at least, maybe we just invoke it with the command line. Yeah. And just one by one. I mean, it would still be a lot of work. Or we just write down the numbers and then we send them all in one go. We do one by one. I do wonder what happens now if we if we open number 1 of this, issues 1, SuperThyme 1, what happens? Oh, it goes in here. It preserves the link. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. Then, yeah. So what we could do is we take this command. So we need to do gp auth login that I've seen. It's not recognized. Why not? Is it not? It was GH, right? GH is not recognized. What? .exe. No, what? It's called, it's in bin folder. Oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Bin. CD bin not found. CD bin. There we go. Now we are ready. Good. So we can log in. Where do you use GitHub? GitHub.com. Yes. HTTPS SSH. I don't know. What is better? I don't know. Let's try this one. Authenticate Git with your GitHub credentials. Yeah. Yeah. Log in with a web browser. Okay, can we do that? Log in with a web browser. I need to be careful to not fetch all. It says -s. What does that mean? -s all. Let's can we issue list -help? Will this work? Yeah. -s state string, filter by state, open, closed, all. Filter by label. Haha, that's good. Filter by label. This is what we can use. Yeah. Okay, so for the first one, let's just try. Why is there a loop? There's no loop here. Issue transfer, issue ID. Huh? How does it know from where's the origin? So here it says destination repository, but where's the source repository? Repository A. R? Sorry. Where are we? Here. R. -R. So the -R is not in here. -R gives the source repository. While read issue. Sleep 2, done. Okay, so his command is a little bit different to this one, but let's Let's take this command here. Let's put it into this. Let's remove that and that. Let's assemble. Let's do minus R, this one. Here, minus R, and then we need to change it to Super Hackers. Here. This one. Super Hacker, Super Sime. Minus R, yeah, I think like that, okay. And transfer to dot number, all, S all. Yeah, let's be careful here. How about we do? I'm very scared of this one. Minus S all. So what was the command? Minus S is all, yeah. Label minus L. Minus L. Yeah, let's minus L 500 minus L limit maximum number of issues to fetch. Okay. Okay, let's do minus L and give a label. Let's call it enhancement. Yeah, enhancement. Yeah, and then oh boy. Enhancement JSON. What is this JSON number? Okay. JSON number. Why is it so complicated? Okay, GitHub, and then we say the Super Hackers and generals game code. Okay. Well, this is scary. Let's see what happens. My expectation is that this won't work because there's probably something wrong. Maybe we say so. Maybe we do documentation first because there's just. Let's do bug. No. Let's go in here and let's add a label. Let's say question. Yeah. Question. Okay. So it should now move the question when we edit this here. Question. Okay, let's see what it does. From SuperSime, and then some bunch of codes. Issue transfer, general's game code. Let's see. JQ is not recognized. Maybe that's some Linux specific thing. Yeah, that could be. This one also uses JQ. Yeah, it's probably some Linux thing. Yeah. Oof. Let's search for. Actually, how about for starters, we can say Let's just do that. Let's see what that does. Aha, number 2. Windows JQ equivalent. PowerShell is okay, but this looks correct. So it's finding this one number, but now we need to somehow extract it. I don't know how to do that with Windows command line. It's JSON. Huh. PowerShell. PowerShell? Windows PowerShell. Does it have JQ? It's not recognized. Yeah, no. That's a bit upsetting. Let's search for bulk migrate Windows issues. Bulk migrate GitHub issues Windows. There must be some command equivalent. Okay, this one also JQ. We need a Windows equivalent. Please. No. Mass import. Migrate issues. What is this? Okay, someone made a tool for this. We just need to like pass this, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, how do we do that? Bulk migrate GitHub Windows issues. Okay, maybe we ask JQ on Windows. Let's see. JQ, no runtime dependencies. Okay. Huh. Okay. Linux, Mac OS, Windows. AMD 64. Yeah. Okay, let's take that one. Yeah, let's put it here. I have no idea what just happened. What is this? Open. Oh, let's see. JQ lang. Well, I hope there wasn't a virus. I should have sent it to VirusTotal before. Now I have run it once. Let me see. Oh, not virtual to total, VirusTotal. I hope it's not a virus. I just executed it. Yeah, Trojan. Uh-oh. From a GridInsoft. Yeah, well, it looks relatively clean. It's probably false positive. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's rename it to JQ and then try this again. This one. Okay, let's see. JQ error, syntax error, unexpected invalid character, expecting end of number. Oof. Expecting end of number. It's not recognized as an internal or external. I don't know what the problem is, dot. I mean, because I don't know what the syntax is here. JQ minus R and then some symbols here. Maybe this X-args is also something that, what is X-args? X-args. What is that? It's also a tool. So X-args. X-args Windows. W-args. X-args for Windows. X-args but. Okay, so it's not even executable. Okay. Well, that's simple enough. Copy X-args, okay. Then let's try that. Take this guy. We download. Put it in here. X-args but. Yeah. Let's see if that will work. X-args minus I, but it doesn't. I don't know. X-args dot but. Let's see. Doesn't work. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know this syntax error, unexpected invalid character. Unexpected invalid character. JQ. Let's search for this one. R. I guess it means look into this brackets and then find a number. I guess. Maybe. Expecting end of fire. There probably is a way. GQ. Where's JQ? So it should work with the output, std out, number, and then here. So basically here it outputs the JSON, here it grabs the number. Oops, I don't know what just happened. Here it grabs the number, and then here it takes the number and transfers it to this thing here somehow. But yeah, somehow that doesn't work. Let's see. So this one says why read. So this one is a bit different. JQ. Well, this one is identical. JQR. Yeah. JQR. Maybe it's because there's not an end of line here. And here is... No, there's a pipe. Bah. I don't get it. Syntax error. Unexpected invalid character. Dot number is not recognized. Operator, program, or batch file. Do we really have to do it by hand? Oh, I hope not. Well, I guess... How do we... Wait, so it takes a number and then... It will... What do we do? Minus I... it will do issue... GH, issue transfer, and then the number... to this. But how does it know on this command? How does it know that it's supposed to come from this repository? Because it's a separate command, right? How does it know? That's weird. Maybe it keeps, maybe it remembers which repository was queried before. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, there must be some way here. JQ minus R. Syntax error. Unexpected invalid character. You need to escape double quotes. Oh. Okay. Syntax adjustments. When using the Windows command shell, it's best to use double quotes around your JQ program. Double quotes. Double quotes. That's weird. Double quotes. Okay, so... Okay, let's see. So we say, let's do it the same way they did here. So we have this and this, and this and that. That's awkward. Number is not recognized. Dot number. Number. Maybe, okay, I understand. Let's remove this for starters. Xarg, okay, now that, okay, so we need to use quotes. Okay, Xargs is not recognized. Yeah, so now the question is, can we use the Xargs but or not? It's not recognized, why not? Didn't we put it there? No, we did not. Where did we put it? Here. No. Huh? Where is it? What? Didn't we put it somewhere? Oh, we put it in there. Well, that's not where it's supposed to be. Okay, let's see. Let's run this. Minus I is not recognized. Oh man. Oh boy. Minus I is not recognized as an internal or external command. I assume that xargs cannot be called like this, maybe. We're making progress here. But it says here args %1, shift for next argument. So I guess %0 is maybe the file itself, and %1 is the argument. Maybe xargs minus I%. Minus I%. Minus I is not recognized. Let's search for this one. Making progress, but yeah, it's not easy. Yeah, it's goddamn command line. Yeah. Well, I do wonder if this batch script really works. Xargs ping. Wrong usage, echo ping. Minus. Okay, maybe this thingy here has to be written differently on Windows. That could be. Yeah. I%. I%. GH. Xargs window. Wait, hold on. Here it says Xargs, but video tutorial. Yeah. What happens if we do without the minus, just xargs? It's not recognized. What happens if we do xargs I? It should transfer I. No. Xargs Windows. Wait, hold on. What does it do? In this example, it uses xargs ping. Echo xargs ping. Piping the output of the echo command. What if we do transfer? It's the args num and then num. Does that work? No. So it doesn't recognize the num or any argument behind there. Yeah. That's too bad. Let's see this this tutorial here. Yeah, show me your samples. And the quality. Okay, shows how he installs it. Ping, yeah, now what? Ping, pipe xargs ping, and then what? /n. Okay, I don't understand what this does. Xargs echo. Okay, I mean, that's a good test. Let's try the xargs echo thingy. Let's see if that works. Echo. Oh, that works. Okay, so there's a number 2. That works. Okay, so there's some hope. Xargs. Okay, so it outputs it right afterwards. But how do we use it? So we need to dump it into xargs into variable windows. Oh. Xargs. -0 set. Man, these command line things no one understands. Okay, but we can, so we get the number. We are that far. Oh my gosh, this is not exciting at all. But that's okay. We will figure it out eventually. Xargs. How do we save this thing? Xargs. Can we maybe do? How about we do set echo. Set v equals, and then set, no, v, transfer v. Oof. Let's do another, let's call it num. Environment variable num. Not identified. So the 2 is at the end. The 2 is at the end. Transfer. Can we say xargs gh issue transfer and then pipe this? No. How do we get the 2 in there? GH issue transfer. We need to get the 2 here at this position, right? What does this do? Invalid issue format. Transfer. Yeah, it probably expects a number right here, right? Let's GH issued. GH transfer minus help. Minus repo. Yeah, repo. -r. Can we maybe say this minus R and now put the number at the end? Would that work? Issue and destination repository are required. Issue. Doesn't work. Okay, so let's say we hard code here this number. Then probably maybe works then. Let me see. Too many arguments. Where's this number 2? It doesn't show it here, I guess. Too many arguments. Yeah, so the problem is I don't know how to get the value from the x-arcs in here. I don't know how to do that. It's probably a way. X-arcs into variable windows. X-arcs. X-arcs. Man, this is annoying. X-arcs. So it was minus I%, right? And then here it was, what did they say? Percent. Yeah, okay, but that didn't work either. Well, asking AI won't help here. Well, maybe. Let's ask ChatGPT, maybe he knows. I hate this command line garbage. How can I save the piped results? How can I save the piped results after a call to x-arcs on Windows into a variable and then use it afterwards? Let's see if it knows that. Handling pipe results and saving them into depends on whether using CMD, using PowerShell. var, okay. What about CMD? Oof. Do set var. The hell? It does not. Delims. Oof. Echo hello. Oh my god. What is this? Oh my gosh. Okay, so it wants to say, let me see. Okay, so ChatGPT says, how about we put this loop here, but then what here? Echo what? Echo hello. What is this echo hello? I don't know. What is this echo hello? What is this? What should I put there? Echo. Could it be that we do this? Do set var to x args. How about we try this? That did an error. It did an error, but who knows if it did anything? We have a lot of things open now here. So we did this one here, right? The question one. Let's see. It's still here. It's still here. No. No. I don't know. Yeah, JSON number. Okay, I can't figure this out now here. I mean, there would be always the option to somehow get it to run in a Python script. Okay, how about we do, let's try something else, but that would also be a lot of work, I guess. So we call this, which gives us a number 2. And then we call, oh my gosh. Let's see if that works. GH issue transfer to, let's see if that works. Fail to run, fatal, not the Git repository. Okay. So that doesn't work. Interesting. Okay. Git transfer issue. B to A. B, R, okay. R is the source, right? R. Okay, so we need to have R. Take this, put that here. And I think we can remove this one here probably. Yeah, let's see if that works. So R is where it comes from, right? Yeah, okay, so that worked. Yeah. But it's quite, it will be quite a lot of work to do it this way. Still. Yeah. But it worked. It's gone now. Yeah. Yeah, do we want to do it this way? But then we have to do it like, I don't know how many times. 200 times. Oof. I have another idea. How about we just do it in 2 steps. Yeah, I have an idea. We do this. So this one will return nothing, right? So we do, we remove the label, right? And that will give us all the numbers. So we copy all the numbers. And should probably be the other way around. Yeah, the order looks to be wrong. Let's do revert lines. Revert lines. Flip line order. Reverse lines. There we go. Okay, so we take this guy and we put it in here. Yeah. Then we take these guys and we select them. Yeah. Well, that's not optimal. And then, oh boy, well, that's kind of awkward as well, because we need to fix those lines here. Yeah. Well, and then basically what we could do is take the issue, this one, no, where is it? This one. Yeah. Put it here. Duplicate it a bunch of times. Yeah. Then take this, copy, then move this, paste, and that didn't work. How many are these? 12. 12. Okay, that doesn't work. Why not? Okay, that works. Has to be same length. And then we could like take all these guys and then we can paste them in here. I mean, it's a bit crappy workflow, but it works. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, this one is hanging here, isn't it? Ah, we need to press enter. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's see if that has worked. They're all gone. Oh my gosh. Well, let's hope they arrived here on the other side. Yeah, they did. Look at that. What about the order here? Why is this so weird? Why is the number 1 up here? Huh? Huh? Why is number 1 listed up here and then number 2 down here? Huh? What is this? Ah, created on. Hold on. Sort by oldest, newest. Ah, so number 1 is newer than these ones. I see. It's sorted by date. Yeah. Okay. So it would have to be. Yeah. I see. Yeah. It's because these are older than the one we opened today. That's why. Okay. Last updated. Yeah. Okay. So, and now we need to do the same for the other project. So we go up here and we list all here executable in generals game patch. Yeah. Generals game patch. All. Yeah. That should now list a huge list. Maybe we should dump it into a file. F.txt. Okay. So here we have a file. Let's open this one. And oof. That is unexpected. That is unexpected. Can we... I hope it will display all. Yeah, okay. Yeah, then we can copy this. Okay. Oh boy. Ah. Okay. There we go. Copy. Okay. Okay. Then we copy it in here, but we reverse the order again with the web tool. Where was it? Here. Okay. Reverse lines. Okay. I guess it's good that we didn't automate it the other way around, because then it wouldn't reverse, right? It would do the wrong order. So I guess it's good that we do it manually then. Okay, so we have a full list. Oh, Jesus Christ. It's okay. We only need to do it once, right? Programmer at work with stupid copy pasting. Yeah, that's okay. As long as it gets the job done, right? I'm trying my best here to do it programmatically, yeah, but we are struggling. Yeah. Oh, well, that's not right. That doesn't look good. What happened here? Well, that's not good. Oof. Maybe what we do is 1, 2. One. Okay, so now they have all the same width. Yeah, but how do we then delete the blank lines? Oh, we can probably use another web tool for that. Right. Good old web tools. Hey, as long as it solves the problem, right? Okay, so we take this, we put it in here. Yeah, those numbers look good. Then let's open a new web tool. Remove empty lines. Perfect. See, the web tool's so good. Yeah, then we can take this and then we put this here into our beautiful list here. Yeah, and then we do so we're looking at general's game patch, and Let's verify first that we're not transferring the wrong stuff. So this is game code. Let's go to game page. Issues. Let's go to number 22. No, what was the number? 18. 18. Executable, yeah. Let's check a bunch more. Let's put this over here. 18. Let's try 137. Executable, yeah. I mean, the count, how many are these? Let me see. 240. 240. Let's go here. Label. Executable. 230. Did it maybe also capture the executable maybes? 26. Why is it 240? Ah, maybe closed ones? Ah, closed 10. Why are there 10? Make unit queues not reserve money until they start getting reproduced. Why is this closed? This removes an element of macro. It's a skill to keep a steady production. Ah, okay, it was deemed not change worthy. Why is this one closed? Ah, it was fixed. Okay, but then it shouldn't be an executable if it was fixed. Let's remove it. Rockets emerge from below bunker. So he fixed it, and then this is tragic, I wrote. Tragic. Okay, so Commit2 fixed this issue already, so it's not an executable. Yeah, okay. Actually, hold on. Doesn't have to be this way. Okay, so it is half executable and half game bug because you can fix it by adding the fire ports. Then it doesn't. Then the rockets don't emerge from below the bunker. But by default, the default fire ports are poorly placed at the origin of the model. So it is kind of code issue, but also kind of not. But I think we have a separate issue report for this. So yeah. Okay, which issue was it? 2126. 2126. Let's remove it from the list. That's good that we review this once more. Let's do it correct here. Okay, what else do we have here? We have another one that has been fixed. Point defense laser update. Does not target new infantry units. Tested removing infantry kind of, and that fixed it. Okay, I mean, we were able to fix it with any change. What was the issue? Sorry. USA Paladin's point defense laser update does not target new infantry units after a kill reliably. It takes several seconds before shooting again for no apparent reason. When not killing a target, it has no problem switching targets. Infantry, Paladin point defense laser. Secondary target types, infantry. Aiming at the flaming body. Looks like it's aiming at the flaming body. Ah, right. So the flaming body So we can look at the video here. Maybe we can make it larger. So here, it shot on the flaming body, right? Here, yeah, the laser shot on the flaming body, and that happens because this guy, the flaming body has infantry kind of. And then, yeah, that's the target then. So we just removed the infantry kind of, and then it was fixed. Yeah, that was the whole magic. So yeah, this one targets infantry, and the flaming body is an infantry, but not really. It's just a prop after it's dead, right? So yeah, but maybe it breaks something else. But yeah, I guess we need to figure out if there's any other consequence. But I couldn't tell, I guess. So it was submitted. Yeah. Okay, let's remove executable then. And put it back here on the side. Okay, so this is not executable. This is 2070. Let's remove that. 2070. There we go. Let's go. Let's look at the list again. Angry mob and aircraft cannot be GPS scrambled. What did we say about that? Designed like so on purpose. Imagine these units would be quite OP. Planes maybe. For angry mob it's odd. They're literally shouting all the time. How's that supposed to be stealthed? As designed, no need to change. I mean, he got a point. They're shouting all the time. You can't stealth them. So angry. Yeah. Place it mob. I mean, it's reasonable, yeah. Okay, here we got another one. I mean, this one, they're all close, so they have not been addressed, but here we got another one. Let's look at this one. Units moving diagonally are faster than units moving straight up or down. Ah, right. What did we say about this? Duplicate of what? Locomotor makes units move faster. Ah, it's a duplicate of this one. Yeah, 650. Yeah, okay, so 650 should also be in here, right? 650, yeah, it's in here. Okay, good. Then I think that would be it. So we are looking at 238 issues that we move now. There's one problem though. We move all the executable ones, and then afterwards we move the executable maybes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, not a big deal, I guess. Good. Then, yeah, let's do it. I hope that I think it does. Yeah, I think we tested this already. Right? It does preserve the links and will link to the new stuff. Yeah. So if we go to SuperThyme now, SuperThyme, and we look for issues /11, it will go to General's game code and find this. Yeah, that's fair. Good. That's good. All right. So what we do now is we take this guy here and we put it here in front of these guys. Yeah. and then we take this guy and put it here on the other side. Yeah. Oh man, so noob. Okay, yeah, but this allows us to be a bit more careful about what we're doing, right? Okay, so let's go. Issue transfer from game patch to game code. Big transfer. Okay. Let's go. There we go. Okay, but I think you have still been quicker and less exhausting than if you did it by hand. That, like in the UI, clicking all the buttons. That would have been much more work, I think. Yeah. Okay. I think it takes so long because I think the server needs to like rebuild all the links. It needs to find like, okay, where's this linked, and then make updates. So it's probably, yeah, there's probably some cost to this. Yeah. But seems to work okay. Yeah. Okay, let's see what spam we got here on the Discord while we wait for it to get done. Let me see. Does spam also show up here? Yeah. Look at that. Issue opened. There we go. Yeah. Look at that. So much spam. Yeah. Okay, that works. I also what did I do? Yeah, I also dropped a message to Omniblade that I please want access to Thyme, so I can also transfer some issues from Thyme over, because there are also some issues which are game code related, and I think it would be good to get these as well. See how fast we work here. Look at this. Create all these things here. Amazing. So fast. So fast. Actually, the executable maybe bugs we can probably leave in game page for now. Yeah, because they're executable maybe, right? So might as well just leave them there. I mean, Omniblade is definitely here, but maybe he doesn't have access to the repository right now. Yeah. Also today, a whole bunch of people have written to me like, hey, I want to help and blah, blah. So I've invited more people here into this server. So it has grown a bit. Vendetta was new, Quad Cannon, Celebi, and probably some others. Yeah. I don't know what they can contribute or of what caliber they are. But I guess we will see. I mean, so far my experience has been there's a lot of people that are typically interested in helping or doing something, but the commitment typically dwindles or doesn't even begin. Like I think people are easy to get excited, but once you have to, once they have to get into the hard work, then people maybe prioritize other things, right? Like I think thinking a major amount of time into something like this, you have to be passionate about it first and foremost. Second, you need a lot of time. You need to be passionate and you need to have a lot of time. These two things. If you have these two things, then I think you can contribute a lot. I think particular skills are not so much necessary because you can always acquire them. You can always learn, right? It's not like only anyone who already has all the education to do the things can do the things. You just need to be motivated and have the time for it. That's it. Yeah. So I think anyone can be really valuable. But obviously for the C++ side of things, it does help to have some experience or good experience with programming, especially low-level programming. You should know how memory works, how the CPU works. You should understand algorithms, performance. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we have 253 issues. I wonder, why did it skip 252 here? So it jumped from 251 to 253. Maybe it's just one of the things didn't arrive here. That could be. Yeah. Okay, let's take a look at the list. How it looks. So game patch issues should have shrunk. Yeah, 321. Look at that. Fixed so many things today. Amazing. Okay, all the executables are gone. Let's press F5. It's still processing. Look at that. It's still doing something. There's probably some post transfer step active right now. Okay, then let's look at this one here. So we have 245 issues now. That's nice. It's funny that issue 1 is above all the others. Yeah. That's okay. That's all right. Doesn't matter much. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, so I think we only need to move the thime issues afterwards. Yeah, how do we... Omniblade. Let's tell him, please. Please. Maybe he already did. I mean, I didn't try. Maybe I just try and see if I have permissions. So where do we go? By the way, let me check if there's nothing sensitive. Probably not. Good. Then super hackers. No. So we're looking at the assembly armada thime issues. There are 211, and we are looking for label vanilla bug, right? Yeah. So we have 68 already in here. Let's go to the older ones. Serious error crash after alt-tabbing twice while using unsupported resolution. I think the alt-tab crash we probably already have covered here. Focus. No. Pressing alt key in window mode stops the game updates. Alt-tab. Game crashes on Alt-Tab. Yeah, okay, so we already have it covered. So we don't need this. Unallocated memory or corrupt memory access while drawing passable areas. Okay. Okay, so we can try to move this one, 16. Let me see. Operating system. It was created in 2018. Thomson's was well ahead of our time. Yeah. Omniblade, Thomson's, they are the OGs. The OGs. Good. So let's try. Yeah. Let's try the following. Game code. So I find the syntax quite weird here to say. I should transfer 16 to from the assembly Armada to Thyme. You should transfer. Well, I think we can already see if we have the permission here. Oh, I do have permission. Maybe. Oh. We can only transfer. We can only transfer within the organization. Well, let's try this anyway. Vanilla bug. Let's see what it says. Oh, okay. We cannot transfer it. Okay. Never mind. It is not possible to transfer. It's not possible to transfer across organizations. Okay. Good. Then in this case, how about we just replicate the issues in one by one? Yeah, we have to, because we cannot move it. But I think we can. I have access to all this, so I think we just need to copy it like this, right? Yeah. 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 Then we need to add a label. Bug. I wonder if we should also link to the original issue. This one. Maybe not. Would be more work. Way drawing passable. Okay, let's just create this. We just make copies of it. Yeah, that should be fine. Plain string files cannot be read from within big files. Okay, I think that's more like it's more like good first issue. Okay. I think that's more like an enhancement. Great. Oh. We lost the formatting. There we go. Okay. How about we... so this one is empty, right? Yeah. So we got this one purged. How about we close all these guys? And then we... issues with many AI in one multiplayer. What is that? Deep in original multiplayer is a bug that desyncs or crashes a client when it is encountered from narrowing down. China CPU seems to triggered earlier. So map is maximum. Play for an hour or so. We need a replay. If it's a network issue, a replay won't help. I don't know if this is already covered. Maybe. I would assume that we have a... I think we have a bug already. Let me see. Crash units. When moving units. When a lot of units are being moved at once. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I guess I mean, it's kind of covered here with these things already. So I think we don't need to have another report. Desynced after some time. Always different. Yeah, this is too unspecific. Dynamic light stop working randomly. Okay. Cop cars should be lighting up. On here. Oof, I don't know about that one. Sound loop, crash or freeze. Ah, this one is definitely legit. Let me see. Sound loop. Sound crash. Okay, let's take this new issue. There we go. Sound loop, crash or freeze. Crash or freeze. Type bug. And create. Okay, and so we have some comments here. Thompson's 26. He said that. Comment. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay. Then that's good thing. Stock bug in laser draw. Let's open multiples here. Float wire comparison with float epsilon, yeah. Shadows drawn from plane polygons flicker at connection edges. Shadows drawn. Yeah, okay. Map effects carrying onto other maps. Okay. blob shadows pop in. Okay. Battle plan paralysis indirectly deals damage to airborne units. Okay. Modify factory. Okay. State friend. Check for transitions exceeds max permitted transitions. Investigate dynamic vector class small growth. Texture lot. Quality issues. Yeah. Okay. Well, we just transfer one by one. Would probably take us an hour or so, but it's fine. Let's go. Stock bug. Bug in laser draw. Edit. Actually, let's use the same. No, let's not use the same. Bug in. Let's say W. What is the point out? NINYs. Put the game. Let the shell app run. Bugs. Labels bug. There we go. Okay. No comments. Great. Okay. Next one. Replace float. Okay, this is a task. Can replicate this here. Okay, so this is bug and task. And we should also add severities. I guess this is minor, probably. Minor. Why don't we have a minor? Here's a minor. Yeah. Bug minor. Great. Okay. Let's also add severities to these guys. So this one is general point error contains and the best way to see its face. It's probably major. I would say NRN values could lead to some strange glitches. So it's very major. This one does not happen in. I know that it doesn't happen in original patch 104. This crash does not happen in original patch 1.4. Typically happens in mods. Okay, so that's a bug and that is critical. Yeah, critical. Okay, plain string files cannot be read from within big files. Oh, it's minor. I mean, the original game doesn't need it, so that's minor. Unallocated memory or corrupt memory, that is definitely critical. We can close this one here. Okay. So we have assigned the labels, yeah. Then let's go to the next one. Shadow drawn from plane polygons flicker at connection edges. Yeah. Okay. Edit. I do wonder if we already have this tracked down. Shadow. No. Okay. Labels, bug, and it's minor. It's just a visual glitch. Okay, next is sort of a bundle of vanilla bugs. Map any adjustments in certain maps will continue to carry on to the next map unless the game has been totally reset. I think we have that covered. Map ini. Oops. Map ini. Game can mismatch after transferring multiplayer map containing a map ini. Map.ini. So we continue to carry. I think I would imagine that we have it covered somewhere. I'm not sure. New issues. Map effects. Yeah, let's report it then. Map effects carrying onto other maps. Map ini adjustments, certain map scripts will continue to carry on the next map unless the game has been totally restarted. For example, player. It's also Enigma Zift has written this. Labels, bug. Is it minor? Yeah, I think maybe. Yeah. Okay. Blob shadows pop in. What is that? I don't see it. By the way, do we actually render the screen? Yeah, we do. That's good. I don't understand. Ah, the tree shadows. I see. Yeah. It happens after you start a new match. It can take a while until the tree shadows pop up. Yeah. I think we don't have this reported. Let's report it. Yeah. Got word that alt-tabbing out and back in causes these shadows to disappear and reappear moments later the same way too. Okay. Bug. It's minor. Great. Okay. Thompson's 26 said 25, 26. I wonder if 26 is his age. And he has been this old for many, many years. Good for him. 26 is perfect age. 25, it's when you're in your mid-20s, most energetic, brain is developed, you can think straight, the world is at your feet, right? Good. Battle plan paralysis that indirectly deals damage to airborne units. Okay, that's a lot of information by Hanfield. Yeah. I think that we don't have this. I hear this the first time. So I suspect that we don't have it covered. Well, if we enter duplicate is also not the end of the world. If eventually we find it. Okay, so what does it say? Paralyzes all objects. Whenever the battle plan is switched for duration, if those objects are airborne, they will be paralyzed and plummet to the ground, suffering damage as a result until they are freed and go back into the air. This is oftentimes immediately fatal for jets. Yeah. But is that really... Is that a bug? Better plan indirect yields damage share. Let's. I'm not sure if that is a bug. Maybe it's just considered feature. I mean, they fall to the ground. They take some damage, right? Let me put it on question. Question. I'm not sure. Let's just report it here. Is this a bug? Yeah. Good. Let's close that. Module factory initializes some modules twice. Could be there. Others, I suspect, this. Okay. Okay. Initializes some modules twice. Thompson's 26 says weapon upgrade bonus, for instance, comma, but could be there, but could be. What is the thing? But there could be others. Let's say that, but there could be more. I suspect this is UB, undefined behavior. Okay. Labels, bug. Okay. Good. Next one. State, blah, exceeds. Okay. All right. Okay, it hits an assert by debugging. Okay. Labels. Bug. I mean, if it's not crashing, then let's label it as minor for now. I mean, assert doesn't need to be critical. Minor, yeah. Are there any comments? I don't think that this is necessary because they're all the same. Okay. Next. Investigate dynamic vector class, small growth. Okay, what is that? Small growth step does not automatically scale with element count. Investigate if this increase performance penalty. Yeah. But this is really minor. Do we have an investigate? No. Maybe we should have an investigate label. Yeah. Let's go to edit labels. New label. Investigate. Let's pick a nice color. Take this orange here. How about that? Can we? Labels. Can't edit them. Okay. Well, we just we keep pressing on here until we hit the color that we like. Investigate. How about we take that? Yeah, we don't have. Yeah, let's take that. Investigate. Okay. New issue. Labels. Oh, looks like we need to refresh the page. There we go. Investigate. Okay. Okay. Next. issues. Texture lot quality issues. Yeah, this to me looks like it's AF related, yeah. Let's not take that. Okay, we have texture loading happens with a delay. Oof. Oof. How about we take a break and then finish this in the next session? Yeah, I would like to take a break. Yeah. Okay, so I mean, we have been kind of slow here in the session, but yeah, we created the repository. We transferred issues from 2 repositories. Now we do these by hand here because we cannot move them. So we just replicate all these guys here from Thyme, and then we have all issue reports that we ever had for game code in this repository. And yeah, I think that would be a good starting point. Okay, well, there's still a bit of work to do, but next session I should be able to finish this. I mean, this actually could also be someone else doing it. I mean, it doesn't have to be me doing that. Yeah. But I guess I can better evaluate these than someone else, right? So there's this advantage. Yeah. I would suspect that the average person would know what to do with these much. Yeah. Okay. Okay, good. Yeah, we have transferred a lot of stuff here. That's good. Yeah, by the way, if you would like to contribute to any of the projects, feel free to reach out. My Discord handle is my nickname, Xeson. You can also write in the YouTube comments. Well, the official way to reach out is always on GitHub, obviously, just like by participating in discussions, issue reports, opening pull requests, commenting in pull requests, right? That's a way to go. Yeah. Good. Yeah, I will take a break, and next session we just continue here with this one. Looks good to me. By the way, I think we have here some. What do we have? Stealth team air units cannot be forced fire. RZ. Huh. People are already commenting here. Oh no, these are for moving. I see. I see. I thought that these would all be new comments, but no. Yeah, okay. So actually on that note then, how about we all set these marked red. Done. Yeah. Yeah. So investigate. Let me just channels game code 19. Yeah, I think we just set these as done. What about this one here? Okay. The others I will check then later. Good. Let's go back to Super hackers, game codes. Yeah, there we go. Good. Yeah, then I will take a break here. Next session we continue with this stuff. Yeah, good. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.